Good morning, ma'am. Today I am going to present the topic of commodity derivatives. So, commodity meaning of commodity derivatives. Commodity derivatives play a pivotal role in financial market, providing a mechanism for hedging risk associated with fluctuating commodity prices. These financial instruments ranging from futures to option enable market participants to manage exposure to various commodity, fostering stability and liquidity. Basically, derivative defined contract future options, the value of which is derived from underlying assets are called derivatives. Derivatives are contracts that originated from the need to minimize the risk. Derivative contract where underlying assets are commodity which is precious metal, gold, silver, platinum, etc. Other metals, tin, copper, lead, steel, nickel, etc. Agro products, coffee, wheat, paper, cotton, energy product, crude oil, heating oil, natural gas. Then the derivative known as the commodity derivatives. Why are commodity derivatives are required? In India, among the top five producers of the commodity, in addition to being a major consumer of billion of energy products, and yet agriculture contribute about 22% of the GDP in the Indian economy. The employees around 57% of the labor force on a total of 163 million hectares of the land. Why the commodity derivatives are required? It is important to understand why commodity derivatives are required and the role they can play in the risk management. It is a common knowledge that prices of a commodity, metal, shares, and currency fluctuate over a time. The possibility of adverse price change in the future create for the risk of a business. Two important derivatives. First, commodities future contracts. Second, commodity option contracts. In this first, commodity future contracts, will see the meaning of these. A future contracts is an agreement of buying or selling a commodity for a predetermined delivery prices at a specific future time. Future are standardized contracts that are traded on an organized futures exchange that ensure performance of the contracts and thus remove the default risk. For an example, we'll take one example. Suppose a farmer is expecting a crop of wheat to be ready in 2 months' time, but it's very worried that the price of wheat may be declining the price in this price. In order to minimize the risk, he can enter the future contract to sell his crop in 2 months' time at a price determining now. This way, he able to hedge his risk arising from the possible adverse changes in the price of commodity. And next is commodity option contract. So what is this? The commodity option holders has the right but not the obligation to buy or sell a specific quantity of a commodity at a specific price on or before a specific date. The seller of the option writes the option in a favor of the buyer who pay a certain premium of the sellers of the prices. So there are the two types of commodity option or a call option give the holder right to buy a commodity at the price, while the put option give the holder to right a sale a commodity at an agreed price on or before a specific date. Call expiry date. The option will exercise the option only if it is benefit a higher price option slips. For example, we'll take the one example. Suppose a farmer buy a put option to sell 100 quintals of wheat at the price of $25 per quintal, pay a premium of $0.5 per quintal, or a total of $50. If the price of wheat decline of to $20 before expiry, the farmer will exercise his option to sell his wheat at the agreed price of $25 per quintal. However, the market price of the wheat increased to sell the $30 price quantity. It would be advantage for the farmer or sell it directly in the open market at the support price rather than the expiry his option to sell $25 per quintal. Our analysis on this topic is many countries, including India, suspected derivative of creating too much speculation that would be to the detriment of the health growth of the market and the farmers. It was a mistake other emerging economy of the world would want to avoid. Such suspicion might normally arise due to a misunderstanding of the characteristic and the role of the derivative product, and the market have been seen ups and downs, but market has made an enormous progress in terms of technology, transparency and the trading activity. This has happened only after the government restriction was removed from the number of commodity, and the market forces were allowed to play their role. Futures and Futures and option trading, therefore helping in hedging the price and risk, also provide investment opportunity to speculators who are willing to assume risk for a possible return. So, in the conclusion, commodity derivatives serve an essential role of a business. An investor navigates the uncertainty of a commodity market, whether mitigate price volatility or seeking speculation opportunity. The diverse range of derivative instrument empowers stakeholders to make informed decisions in a dynamic economic landscape. Thank you.